1. Question: what is the procedure for a connecting international flight? A. You need to pass through transit security and follow the signs to your next gate. In some airports, you may need to go through immigration and recheck your luggage. 2. Question: could you explain the baggage allowance for my specific fare class? A. Certainly. For your fare class, you are allowed one checked bag up to 23 kilograms and one carry-on item not exceeding 7 kilograms. 3. Question: is there any compensation if my flight is delayed for over 3 hours? A. Yes, depending on the airline policy and destination, you may be eligible for meal vouchers or partial refunds. 4. Question: where can I declare dutiable items before customs inspection? A. You'll find the customs declaration counter just before the exit of the baggage claim area. 5. Question: could you tell me how to access the VIP or business lounge? A. Access is granted if you hold a business or first-class ticket or a priority membership. You can also purchase a one-time pass. 6. Question: what documents are required for immigration clearance? A. You must present your valid passport, visa if required, completed arrival card, and sometimes a return or onward ticket. 7. Question: is there any restriction on carrying electronics in hand luggage? A. Yes. Laptops, tablets, and power banks must be removed during security screening. Some items may have wattage limits. 8. Question: how do I file a complaint about lost luggage? A. You should go to the airline's lost and found counter near baggage claim and fill out a property irregularity report, PIR. 9. Question: can I check in online and still drop my baggage at the counter? A. Yes, most airlines offer bag drop counters for passengers who've checked in online. 10. Question: are there any quarantine rules for bringing food or plants? A. Yes, most countries have strict biosecurity laws. You must declare any plant or food items, and they may be confiscated if prohibited. 11. Question: could I reschedule my flight due to a personal emergency? A. If your ticket is refundable or flexible, you may reschedule by paying the fare difference and change fees. 12. Question: is there any medical assistance available inside the terminal? A. Yes, most international airports have a medical clinic or first aid center available 24/7. 13. Question: how can I get a transit visa if I have a long layover? A. Some countries offer on-arrival transit visas. You should check the embassy website or consult airline staff at the transit desk. 14. Question: what should I do if I miss my connecting flight due to a delay? A. Go to your airline's transfer desk. They will assist you with rebooking and possibly provide accommodation if required.